Imagine this. Two people earn the same salary. They apply for the same credit card. One gets approved instantly with low interest, the other gets rejected. Why? The answer is simple: credit score. In this video, you'll learn what a credit score is, how it works in the USA, and why it can literally save or cost you thousands of dollars. A credit score is a number that shows how trustworthy you are with money. In the United States, your credit score usually ranges from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better. Banks, lenders, and credit card companies use this number to decide, should they lend you money? How much interest should they charge? And even whether to approve you at all. Think of your credit score like a financial report card. Here's how credit scores are generally classified in the USA. 300 to 579, poor. 580 to 669, fair. 670 to 739, good. 740 to 799, very good. 800 to 850, excellent. Most lenders prefer borrowers with a score above 700. If your score is low, you are seen as a risky borrower. Your credit score affects almost everything in your financial life. It impacts credit card approvals, home loans and car loans, interest rates, renting an apartment, even some job applications. For example, someone with a high credit score might get a car loan at 4% interest. Someone with a low credit score might pay 15% or more. Over time, that difference can cost thousands of dollars. There are 5 main factors that affect your credit score. 35% is your payment history. Do you pay your bills on time? 30% is your credit utilization. How much of your available credit are you using? 15% is your credit history length. How long have you been using credit? 10% is your credit mix, means credit cards, loans, mortgages. Variety helps. 10% will be your new credit inquiries. Applying for too much credit too often can hurt your score. Even missing one payment can damage your score badly. If you're new to credit, don't worry. You can start by getting a secured credit card, paying every bill on time, keeping credit usage below 30%, and avoiding unnecessary loan applications. Credit building is slow but powerful. Your credit score is not just a number, it's a financial weapon. Use it wisely and it can open doors. Ignore it and it can quietly hold you back. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and comment if you want to watch our next video on how to build credit from zero in the USA.